Welcome, medical students, to a lecture on telomeres. We will explore their structure, function, shortening, and implications in biology, including aging, cancer, and genetics. We'll also discuss telomerase regulation and the consequences of telomere dysfunction. Let's dive into this fascinating topic. Telomeres are specialized structures at the ends of chromosomes that maintain chromosomal stability during DNA replication. They consist of repetitive DNA sequences, with TIG being common in humans. The unique T-loop structure protects the chromosome ends. Telomeres have several fundamental functions in the cell. Firstly, they provide stability to the genome by preventing the recognition of chromosome ends as double-stranded breaks, thus averting inappropriate DNA repair mechanisms. Secondly, telomeres facilitate complete DNA replication by serving as a replicative buffer zone. Due to the end replication problem, DNA polymerases are unable to fully replicate chromosome ends, resulting in gradual telomere shortening. This process contributes to the aging of cells and ultimately leads to cellular senescence. Telomere shortening is a gradual process that occurs with each cell division. It is primarily caused by the inability of conventional DNA polymerases to replicate the extreme ends of chromosomes. As a result, telomeres progressively lose nucleotides, leading to a reduced ability to maintain the protective T-loop structure. The critical point in telomere shortening occurs when a telomere reaches a critically short length, triggering a DNA damage response and cellular senescence. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of chromosomes that shorten with each cell division. When they become too short, they trigger a response that stops cell growth, preventing damaged DNA from replicating. This process, called cellular senescence, is important in aging and disease. Telomerase is a specialized reverse transcriptase enzyme that can elongate telomeric DNA. It consists of two main components, a catalytic subunit called telomerase reverse transcriptase, TERT, and an RNA component known as telomerase RNA component, TERC. Telomerase adds TIG repeat sequences to the ends of chromosomes, counteracting the telomere shortening that occurs during DNA replication. Telomerase activity is tightly regulated in normal somatic cells but is typically reactivated in stem cells, germ cells, and cancer cells. The regulation of telomerase activity is a complex and tightly controlled process. In somatic cells, telomerase is typically silenced, leading to gradual telomere shortening and cellular senescence. Various factors, including telomere binding proteins, epigenetic modifications, and signaling pathways, contribute to the regulation of telomerase expression and activity. Understanding the mechanisms underlying telomerase regulation is crucial for elucidating its role in aging and disease, as well as for the development of potential therapeutic strategies. Telomere maintenance mechanisms ensure the stability and integrity of telomeres. In addition to telomerase-mediated telomere elongation, cells employ alternative lengthening of telomeres, ALT, pathways to avoid telomere shortening. ALT mechanisms involve homologous recombination and DNA repair processes, allowing the elongation of telomeres without the reactivation of telomerase. These alternative mechanisms of telomere maintenance are particularly important in cells and tissues where telomerase activity is low or absent. Telomere dysfunction can result from various factors, including excessive telomere shortening, telomerase mutations, or telomere binding protein abnormalities. Telomere dysfunction triggers cellular responses, leading to genomic instability, DNA damage, and alterations in gene expression. Dysfunction in telomeres has been implicated in a wide range of diseases, including premature aging syndromes, bone marrow failure, neurodegenerative disorders, and cancer. Stem cells possess unique properties of self-renewal and the ability to differentiate into different cell types. Telomeres play a critical role in regulating the lifespan and function of stem cells. Maintenance of telomere integrity in stem cells is crucial for preserving their proliferative capacity and regenerative potential. Dysfunctional telomeres in stem cells can lead to stem cell exhaustion, impair tissue repair, and contribute to aging-related pathologies. Telomeres undergo progressive shortening throughout an individual's lifespan, reflecting the replicative history of cells. The attrition of telomeres is considered a hallmark of aging and is associated with age-related diseases, including cardiovascular disease, neurodegenerative disorders, and cancer. Telomere dysfunction contributes to the decline in tissue homeostasis, stem cell exhaustion, and impaired regeneration observed during the aging process. Cancer cells exhibit high telomerase activity, allowing them to maintain telomere length despite extensive cell divisions. Telomerase reactivation plays a crucial role in immortalizing cancer cells, enabling them to bypass cellular senescence and escape normal growth control mechanisms. Telomere maintenance mechanisms, including telomerase activation and ALT pathways, are considered attractive targets for cancer therapy. Understanding the interplay between telomeres and cancer is essential for developing innovative treatment strategies. Telomere length variation between individuals is influenced by genetic factors. Several genes involved in telomere maintenance and regulation have been identified and associated with various human diseases, including inherited syndromes characterized by premature aging and increased cancer susceptibility. Genetic studies continue to shed light on the intricate genetic architecture underlying telomere biology and its impact on human health and disease. Explain in 33 words. Telomeres play essential roles in maintaining genome stability, controlling cell growth, and influencing aging. Dysfunction can lead to various diseases, including cancer and premature aging. Understanding telomere biology offers insights and potential therapies for age-related illnesses. Thank you for exploring this topic with me.